Want to program a new or existing flip key remote for your 2014-2016 Chevy Impala yourself? It's possible and can save you money. This video will show you how. This process involves cycling the ignition and pressing buttons on the remote in a specific sequence. First, ensure you have a working OEM or compatible aftermarket remote, access to your car's driver's seat, and that the vehicle is in a secure location. Also, verify that the remote's battery is new and that your Impala has no active diagnostic trouble codes. Get ready to insert the key into the ignition, but do not start the engine just yet. Now for the programming sequence. Insert the key into the ignition and cycle it from the off to the on position multiple times, typically 5 to 10 times, leaving it in the on position. You should hear a chime or see a message indicating that your vehicle is ready for remote programming. Immediately press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the remote simultaneously for about 15 seconds. The car should respond with a horn honk or flashing lights to indicate successful programming. Keep in mind that LT, LTZ, and Eco models may have slight variations in the required button combinations or timings. Some may require holding the unlock button for 15 seconds independently. If you're having trouble, consider using a basic OBD2 scanner to check for underlying issues. If using an aftermarket remote, ensure it's specifically compatible with your Impala's model year to avoid potential malfunctions or permanent rejection by the vehicle's system. While DIY methods offer cost savings, remember that improper programming could trigger anti-theft systems, so always double-check your steps and consult verified guides or a professional if unsure.